guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to MMA'S domain where we share about lifestyle, cooking and vlogs. My name is MMA'S Nachi. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you are always welcome. You are highly appreciated. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for tuning back to my channel. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to smash that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, fast forward to today's video. I will be showing you guys how I love to prepare my African salad, aka Abacha. Yes, so I'll be showing you all of that in this video. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. So beautiful people, these are the following ingredients that we'll be using to prepare this authentic African salad, aka Abacha. So guys, we are going to start by transferring our African salad in a bowl, and also we are going to go ahead to add a mixture of cold and hot water. So for the African salad, is so good. If you want to play tough and want to hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love. Today the African salad is play tough and want to hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who got it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say this back. I want you to be free from the chains that last. And to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
So guys, after taking exactly this mixture,
no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages to make it. Modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
Add in your shredded oil bean known as Oba or Baka. Also add in your dry fish known as Azobo. Add in your onions,
to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last,
Also
and to
add in
believe in
your
what you
salt
got, it was built to
and your
last,
seasoning
yeah.
cube to eat.
Now that I've been
Then
through
you
hell,
stir
I
everything
never got
together.
anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you
After
wanna play
mixing
tough
everything
and wanna
together,
hate
go
this, I'll
ahead
always
to
show
add
up
in
and
your
make a
African
statement.
salad,
The
aka
consequence of being
Abacha, and
incompetent.
stir
Mental health is
very well.
confidence. Dreams is a promise. Soon I am a ceremony. Tells me how to take a win. Contemplate a million mind games. Better set a safe. Something not illogical. Something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up. No, I'm not giving in.
Go
I will make
ahead
it to
to
the top,
mix
taking off
everything
in the wind. I
together
gotta make
until you
it.
get
I'm
a
saving
sadly
every day to
taste
taste it. I'm
consist.
patient, but my mind,
Guys,
it can hardly
can
take
you
it. I'm
see how
chasing a dream
succulent
that I've had to
this
separate ages of
African
bacon.
salad
Modern
is?
kingdom for the taking.
Just go ahead to add in
Now
your
that I've been
potato
put
leaf
through
and
hell,
stir
I
very
never
well.
got
Then guess
anyone's
what?
help.
Your
I had
food
to do it
is
all
ready.
myself.
So guys, leave
I
your
don't ever
comments in the
slow
comment
up, no
section
I don't
below
take
and
shit.
let us
I got
know
no
what you call
love
this
for the
particular
fakeness.
food.
If you wanna play
And
tough and wanna
also
hate
let
this,
us know
I'll
what
always
you
show
think of
up
this
and make a
particular
statement.
recipe
I don't ever
and
slow
how
up, no
you
I don't
love
take
to
shit. I got no
prepare
love
yours.
for the
Yes
fakeness. If
guys,
you wanna
also
play
don't forget
tough
to
and
like,
wanna hate this,
comment, to
I'll always
share
show
and
up and make
to
a
subscribe to
statement.
our channel. And finally, don't forget to smash that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have watched to this point, that means that you enjoy every bit of this video. And I can't end this vlog without appreciating you. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel. I really appreciate. I will see you in my next video. Bye.